At the Formulator's Lab Bench, we're going to talk about a skin treatment and a product that you see noticeable results in a short amount of time, and that's a facial mask. And the facial mask is a treatment for the skin, and the skin looks fresher and smoother and more even toned and radiant. It has this beautiful glow to it, and a facial mask treatment can be used for every age, every type of skin, and it's excellent to add to your product line and skin regimen at home. Formulated face mask. A formulator must understand the types of face masks and how they perform. They can be nourishing, detoxifying, exfoliating. A nourishing face mask, it helps to hydrate and moisturize and really nourish the skin. And this is good for all skin types and all ages. And botanicals can be added, vitamins, and plant-based milks like coconut milk powder or rice milk powder, and really to help nurture the skin. A detoxifying face mask contains highly absorbent clays such as green clay or kaolin clay, and it helps to absorb like excess oil and strengthen the skin and improve the skin circulation. And these are really good for like oily and congested skin. And then there is exfoliating mask, and these contain chemical or mechanical, also known as physical ingredients to exfoliate the skin. And the mechanical, which are the physical ingredients, these masks, they exfoliate by a physical exfoliation on the skin, and they can have grains and clays and charcoal in it. And you just have to be careful with these that they're not abrasive and they don't do any micro tears in the skin. It's important that they are gentle on the skin, but that they still exfoliate. There's a chemical mask, and these exfoliate by dissolving the skin cells on the outer layer. And these are AHAs, alpha hydroxy acids, which are fruit acid, glycolic acid, and lactic acid, and BHAs, which are salicylic acid, and willow bark extract. And these are good for people that have aging skin, like with dark spots, uneven skin tones, and even for blemishes. You have to be careful with these because sometimes people are sensitive to these ingredients. And it needs to be formulated correctly, and it needs a low acidic pH in order for the AHA or BHA to be effective on the skin. And you can refer to the blog on face masks to learn more information on formulating face masks. And this here is our wet mud mask, and it's one of our all-time favorites. It's a very stable formulation, and the performance on the skin is exceptional. It really helps to refresh the skin and clarify the skin and just exfoliate the skin for a more radiant looking skin, and it feels really good on the skin. And so I hope that you formulate a mask for your line, or you add it to your weekly regimen to add to your skin, and let us know if you see immediate results like we do. Try different masks until you get the one that works for your skin type.